What's up guys, and welcome back to Veg on Pennies. Today I thought I would share with you my favorite beef broccoli recipe that I've been enjoying this past few days. It's really easy, so without any further ado, let's just get started. You're first going to start with half a diced onions, a little bit like 2 cloves of diced garlic, and also a nub of ginger. And I'm also going to start with some Beyond Meat burger patties that are frozen, and I'm just gonna put them straight in some hot oil just to fry them off on both sides, and then I'm just gonna add like about a cup of water just to help thaw them. So at this point my heat is lowered down to about low to medium, and I'm just using my wooden spatula to like break it down really nice. And you're gonna let that cook until all the water evaporates, and then you're gonna be left with really like ground beef and only oil at this point. While that is happening, you can make your sauce. So in a jar you're gonna add some soy sauce, also some maple syrup, some rice wine vinegar, also some sambal oelek, just to add some spice. Don't add too much if you're really sensitive to spice. And then you're just gonna take a whisk and whisk it up right in the jar to make your life so much easier. Then back to your oven, your stovetop, you're gonna add in your diced onion now that the water is all evaporated, so it should only just be oil and your meat mixture. So you're gonna add some onion. You're also gonna add some frozen broccoli because it is beef and broccoli, so I'm just using the frozen pack. And yeah, you're gonna stir that until the broccoli kind of like the broccoli thaws and all of that. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your garlic. You want to add it at this stage because you don't want it to burn. So yeah, you're gonna add in your garlic, and then you're gonna add in your sauce that you just made, and you're just gonna keep stirring and mix everything together with your brown spatula or whatever color your spatula is. And then you're gonna add some ginger. So I'm using some diced ginger. I'm also using some ginger from the little pre-made jar because I didn't have enough. I wanted more gingery notes, so I'm adding more ginger, and that is pretty much it, and it is done. It is so easy. And to serve this beautiful dish, I'm just eating with some basic steamed or white rice, and that is pretty much it, you guys. You can serve it as much as you want. Enjoy, and yeah, let me know how you like it. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and bye. I guess I never loved you like I love me.